Today we'll be making 닭강정, crispy, crunchy Korean fried chicken.
$17 on Uber Eats. I need to make this at home.
Chicken thighs here. Cut these into bite-sized pieces.
Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces.
Now we're gonna season the chicken. Quarter teaspoon salt.
Quarter teaspoon salt.
Half teaspoon of ginger.
Half a teaspoon of ginger.
And half teaspoon of garlic.
Garlic tried to escape, but I caught it.
Hands always are the better tool, right?
Sometimes my hand is the only tool that works.
Okay, now the sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce.
1 tablespoon soy sauce.
3 tablespoons of mirin.
3 tablespoons of mirin.
This is sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar.
2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar.
2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
My brown sugar has become rock solid.
Now this is a Korean oligo syrup.
This is Canadian maple syrup.
Gochujang gives that nice little spicy kick to the sauce.
A nice spicy kick to bring you back from Sugarland. Some silent ginger and garlic.
And let it simmer to slightly thickened.
Let it simmer till slightly thickened
We'll come back to that later.
and leave it alone.
Back to our chicken. We're gonna use potato starch.
Back to my kitchen. I'm gonna use cornstarch.
Dredge it really well, one at a time.
Nice job, team.
Dredge all of them at once.
You will need about 3 cups. Maybe you can get away with a little bit less.
I'm going to try to get away with less.
He can't keep getting away with it.
A little piece of cornstarch. And it went down a little bit and came up, and that's ready.
Drop a little piece of cornstarch, and that's ready.
You can use tongs. I'm using chopsticks because I'm used to it.
I'm going with my hand because I'm used to getting hurt.
If you don't like oil splatter, just use one of these splatter screen.
I don't mind oil splatter, but I don't like what's going on here. I gotta keep moving it up and down to stop the oil from spilling.
It's getting nicely golden, and we can now remove.
Now we can remove. That was a lot of work. Hopefully the second fry will go better.
Okay, oil is hot enough, so we're gonna do second frying, but I'm gonna do all at once.
I'm scared to go all at once, so I'm just gonna go a little bit at a time. Alright, I'm getting a bad feeling about this. Alright, let's try to save it. It's getting more and more. Oh god, it's getting everywhere. You know what? I'm just gonna let this happen.
While that's resting and draining, we are going to heat up our sauce.
While the chicken's resting, I'm going to clean up the disaster it has inflicted upon me.
The sauce is bubbling up again, and we'll add our chicken.
When the sauce is bubbling, we'll add the chicken.
Mix it really well.
Mix it really well. These 3 pieces of dropped chicken are sending me over the edge.
I'm gonna garnish with some sesame seeds.
Some sesame seeds.
I am going to use my pumpkin seeds.
I'm gonna use some scallion. Alright, it's been a journey. Time to taste. The sauce is overly sweet and the chicken tastes like cardboard. I'll have to work on it and do it again. But there will be no more deep frying for the foreseeable future on this account. Alright, thank you.